Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn off comments on Facebook. So first, you just have to log in your Facebook and to post something, go to your profile, click what's on your mind, and you can post whatever here. For example, I'm going to post what's up. Here's the thing, you want to set this post into public, but you don't want anyone to comment this one. So first, you just have to set your settings or you have to set this into friends. And then after that, go back to your post again, tap this three dots. And after that, you have to click this edit privacy. And then this time you have to set this into public. Now what you're going to do next is you have to refresh or reload the page. Okay, and then after that, you can now go back to your post or tap this three dots. And then you can see this who can comment on your post. So this time you have to tap this and then you can set this to only friends. Okay, or friends and established followers, everything is up to you. But I want to set this into friends. Okay, or friends and followers. Now, as you can see here, I'm going to open my other Facebook account. And then let's see if this account or this post is set into public, but only few or only friends can comment. So let me log in my other account or other Facebook account here. So let me search for Alexa Brooke, which is my second account. Okay. So this is my second account here. And as you can see, if I'm going to tap this and look for the post that I have posted earlier, the post is set into public. But then again, there is no comment section. Unlike the second post here, which I haven't disabled the comment. So that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.